About 8 and 9 months, I was with that person, Venkas. I was with them. I was a roommate each person. In beginning times, he was facing problems related to guide. Totally department are saying, you have come from a category department. You have come category. Scheduled caste, you are not able to do PhD here, but he has a scholarship also CSIR. He was very hard worker. He told कि I want to leave. I told one my friend Biswajit Jena, he was living front of our room. He told, you don't leave, you should complain VC. Yeah, there are some Dalit student organization. But he told, okay, I will say, if I will face problem, I will say, and I will take a Dalit student organization. But one day he told, I will solve self problem.
On his own.
But after I shifted here, NX, and one day he told, I have get one guides. He was not permanent faculty.
He's not a permanent faculty.
Yeah, but
He's a PDF.
Sunday he do suicide. I meet his now who are present now his roommate. He told me he is facing same problem, guide problem.
He's also facing the same problem.
So only guide problem he is responsible for
his death.
suicide. He was very hard worker. He study always time in room and lab, always time live in lab. So related to guides, his suicide. He is very poor family. He give introduction about his family. His father came in the room also. I know his father.
So this who said that you came from category?
His supervisor told.
Who was the supervisor that in charge?
Supervisor related to he told me कि supervisor told
Okay.
you are not able to do research.
Oh.
Okay, he told me with me and other friend Biswajit Jena, he know very well.
Okay.
He was living he is from English department. So we told don't leave. We should complain to VC. But this problem was not solved till now. So he want to say me I want to become great scientist. But I think he felt that he can't do. Guide are not supporting, so so he maybe failed. Then he suicide.
And he published article. He's a good student.
He was very hard worker.
Hard worker means how?
He to leave always time in lab and in night always time study. Night whole night till 1 o'clock he study and he to live in a lab always time.
Actually he works 16 to 18 hours a week.
So he was very hard worker.
Okay. What is your name?
Deepak sir.
Deepak Shah.
Deepak sir.
Okay.
From Delhi.
From Delhi. Which department?
Social exclusion and inclusion policy.
Oh, that is why you are courageously speaking, eh? I thought you are from Akram.
He is our friend and he is very
Oh, okay. So there is a big caste discrimination you feel.
He told me that I am facing caste discrimination. They are demoralizing. They are not saying they are demoralizing. You have come category. You can't do here PhD here. So he told me I want to leave this university because they are demoralized. But we encourage their.
Okay.
Encourage you should do PhD here. Don't leave there.
There are many Dalit organizations here.
Yes, sir.
Why didn't they approach?
I told, but he told me I don't want to take risk. I don't want to do conflict with supervisor.
Oh.
So he felt fear.
Okay.